Do not eat is written directly on the product, so please be very careful around anybody. These are oxygen absorbers for food storage. 500 cc, 120 pieces, 10 pieces of 12. Now, they are absorbers for food grade. They are airtight. And what are they good for? Well, some of the examples I have right here on the table. We take one of these bad boys, we open up our nuts, we throw it in, and we keep it in there. So this way our nuts don't start to stick. And that's what they're good for, to take the moisture out of the product. Now another way of using this is, let's say you have some potato chips and you don't want them to get soggy. You want to take the moisture out. Take them, you drop them in, and you close the lid and they will stay fresh days on out. That is how you use these food absorbers. There are many other ways to using these things. So when you open things up, that is what you do. You get 120 pieces, like said, and they're great for putting it into your sugar so the sugar don't dry. And you know how when you get sugar, you get all those little clumps like so, and that's what you're trying to avoid. You take a package or two, you lay them in there, and that will take all that moisture out. That is how we use these absorber packages. I hope this product may be right for you. Just please be a little careful with these around anybody. They're not to be eaten. They are to absorb moisture. Check online for further detail about the product. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you. Even with cereal, you place them in there and check it out. Takes all that moisture right out.